my family. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Like, share, subscribe. We are here to show green water apple. Take what? Take here. Mommy, this green water apple.
Can you show me the bunch?
Bunch? I show you. Come, let's go. Close.
Yes, tell me.
Look here.
Yes, I could see the bunch. What is that?
Ooh.
What is that?
Yeah.
Udarth, is this organic?
Yes. My grandfather does organic farming. Really tasty. Chemical free. Wait. Oh, baby. Mommy has plucked few.
Show me. Oh, you took too much. You plucked so much. Do you like this fruit?
Yes. For more content, follow me. Till then, see you. Mom, let's taste water apple.
What is it, Udarth?
It's so water.
Did you like green or pink?
Pink.
Can I taste it?
Yes.
Thank you.
Look your seeds. Blah blah blah.
So tiny. If you plant this,
So
again you will
this-
get a water apple tree.
Again, you get water apple tree. If you see this, this, you will get plant. See, tree. You will get tasty water apple. Save nature, plant more. Enjoy the nature. Thank you.